In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order bump on Teachable. An order bump is a small, optional offer that appears right on your checkout page. With a single click, a customer can add it to their purchase without leaving the page. It's a simple way to increase your average order value by offering something highly relevant at exactly the right moment. Start by heading into your Teachable admin. Once you're in, open the product where you want to add the bump. This can be a course, a bundle, a coaching product, or a digital download. Think of this as your main offer, the checkout page where the bump will appear. Inside that product, look for the Upsell Funnels tab. Depending on your layout, you may find it under Product Settings. The label is usually clear, but if the menu feels crowded, take a moment to expand the Product Settings area and scan for Upsell Funnels. That's the section that controls order bumps. Click Create Order Bumps to begin. A pop-up will guide you through everything you need. First, choose the product you want to offer as the bump. A great order bump is closely related to the main purchase, something like a quick start kit, a companion workbook, templates, or a short bonus training. The key is that it feels like a natural, valuable add-on, not a distraction. Next, pick the pricing plan for that bump product. If the product has multiple plans, select the one that makes sense for a one-click add at checkout, usually a one-time price. Keep in mind that the plan you choose is exactly what the customer will be charged if they accept the bump. You can optionally set a sales price. This creates a special discounted price that's only available through the bump, which can significantly boost conversions. Many creators frame this as a limited-time, checkout-only deal to communicate the added value. Add a clear headline and a short description to explain the offer. Keep the headline benefit-driven and specific, and use the description to clarify what the buyer will get and how it complements the main product. Simple, direct language works best here. When everything looks good, tick Publish and save. This activates the order bump on the checkout page for your selected product. From here, your customers will see the bump as they check out, and with one click, they can add it to their purchase. That's all there is to it. Clean, quick, and effective.